looking? Hello, how are you? Good to see you again. Nice to see you. Good. Yeah. All right, here's our van with butterfly tours. Hey guys, hey guys. Hello, hello, hello. All right guys, so we are heading to Tonle Sap today. Unfortunately, Brent and Lauren, they ended up leaving. They're gonna be heading back to California in about a week after Kuala Lumpur and Malaysia. But I got Dustin here with me. And we're gonna be heading to Tonle Sap Lake and checking out one of the most amazing sunsets supposedly out in Cambodia. It's about a 20 to 30 minute drive from Siem Reap, and we'll be at Tonle Sap. Alright, so we made a quick stop. You could already see the transformation from houses under the water, floating on the water. We passed a lotus farm. It would have been nice to stop at, but not a big deal. We're about 3 kilometers away from Tonle Sap. We're getting some drinks, we're getting some food for the boat, and we should be there in about 3-4 kilometers. Alright, so we made it to Tonle Sap. This is actually the largest lake in all of Southeast Asia with fresh water. One of the top attractions right behind Angkor Wat Temple to check out in Siem Reap is Tonle Sap. I'm super stoked to check it out, especially at sunset. The sunsets out here in Cambodia are absolutely beautiful. It's a little different than most sunsets you see. It's a little hazy, it's a little orange, but this should be a great day though. Alright, so this is the port. Hello, hello. Alright, so it looks like this is our boat right over here. You ready, brother? 820, let's do it. Let's do it. This is awesome, our own private boat. We'll take it. So it's absolutely incredible out here in Tonle Sap. That could have been one of my best drone flights ever. It's super, super beautiful. You can see all the little different houses out here on the stilts, on the boats. I'm super stoked for that drone flight. I've been at different floating villages in my time, and there's nothing like this at all. This is the second best attraction out here in Siem Reap behind Angkor Wat. And again, there's absolutely nothing like this. People actually live on these villages. So there's houses, there's churches, there's schools, and people live out here, which is pretty unbelievable, pretty amazing to think about. There's a lot of Cambodian people out here. There's also a lot of Vietnamese residents that's living out here that are trapped by the Cambodian government, not allowing them to go to the mainland. So money is one of the problems out here. So they can't really afford to go to the mainland because of money, and they're kind of stuck on these floating houses, floating villages, and essentially they're kept stateless by the Cambodian government, which doesn't allow them to get an education, doesn't allow them to really do too much, so they're kind of trapped on these floating villages. It's kind of cool to think about being able to live on a boat all the time, but when you see it out here, you kind of understand why it wouldn't be the best kind of thought or best feeling living on a boat. And it's kind of sad, the fact that they can't get to the mainland. This place is absolutely beautiful. I would highly recommend coming out here to Tonle Sap. This, I feel like, is a once-in-a-lifetime tour, checking out a floating village like Tonle Sap, let's say, and it is unbelievable out here. So the sun should be setting over there shortly, and we should be getting a beautiful, hopefully Cambodian sunset. Besides that, this has been such an amazing afternoon so far in Tonle Sap. So our sunset luck in Cambodia has not been great. This storm is coming. I'm not sure if you saw from the drone or the cinematics, the storm is coming and the clouds are out that way, so we're not gonna catch a sunset. We're gonna head back right now to the port and head back to the hotel. As Dustin is catching some, oh! That was awesome. Did you catch that one?
No, I'm missing.
Dustin's catching his boomerangs of the thunder, the lightning. Woo! There's more lightning over there. Jeez. Yeah. Woo! Thank you so much for the last boat here. No one else is here. Look at this storm. The storm just keeps creeping in. What an incredible, whoa! The sky is going crazy. What an incredible afternoon at Tonle Sap. Sorry that it's so dark. 25 minutes and we're back at the hotel. Thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate it, guys. Team Butterfly Tours right over here. Thank you. They're great tour guides and they're comedians too, so they're hilarious. Thank you so much, Soking. We really appreciate it. She's the leader of Butterfly Tours. One of the leaders, but it was such an amazing time. Thank you, and the driver. Thank you so much for driving us and keeping us safe. What an incredible afternoon with Butterfly Tours. They're so friendly. It was so much fun with them. Let's open the door after you. And it was just such a beautiful experience in Tonle Sap. It was so much fun. Unfortunately, we didn't catch a sunset. It's been our luck this entire week in Cambodia. It was still amazing just being out there in the floating village, getting those awesome drone shots. We made it back to the Shadow Anchor Villa. It's $15 a night to stay here. You can definitely go cheaper. You can definitely pay a little more money for a nicer place, but this is absolutely perfect for us. I'll show you what you get for 15 bucks when we get to the room. Whoop! Makasi. And for 15 bucks, you get a bathroom with a shower, and you get a couple beds with a TV. It's pretty simple. And yeah, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna drop off our bags and we're gonna show you a little bit about Siem Reap at night. And once you step outside of our hotel, the Siem Reap lake is right over there, and you have a ton of different food stands selling, I'm guessing, Cambodian food, and fruit juices, and meat sticks. And we're about a 5 to 6 minute walk from the walking street or the night market, which we'll check out in a hot second. And you can see there's tons of tuk-tuks all around. This is like one of the main means of transportation out in Siem Reap. You have motorbikes, but I don't think as a foreigner you can rent a motorbike, so there's tons of different tuk-tuks which you can negotiate price, talk price. And essentially a lot of the rides are like $1 to like $5, so you can get anywhere for like $1 to $5. And then right over there is the start of Pub Street. And here's all the restaurants. We're pretty close to the night walking street, I think they call it, or the night markets. And it's pretty incredible. You can find beers out here for 50 cents a beer. So draft beers, I think it's Anchor Beer. Was it Anchor Beer? Yeah. Anchor Beer. So you can get 50 cents beers out here. Can't beat that. And the food's pretty cheap, I'd say. We've been eating primarily spaghetti and pastas and fried rice. A lot of the meals out here are around $2 to about $5, $6 bucks. And yeah, here's the start of Pub Street. It's pretty much what the name is, Pub Street. There's a lot of beer, a lot of drinking, a lot of partying on Pub Street. 50 cents beers is the way to go though. And this is the night market. Tons and tons of shop. Pretty much looks exactly like Thailand, you could say. And we're still on the hunt for dinner. All right guys, so we've been craving pizza for like the last week. I caved. We're getting some pizza right now. It's $6 for a medium pepperoni pizza, which is a pretty good price, I guess, compared to the US. I feel like it's still a little expensive in Southeast Asia, but that's all right. I want to get my pepperoni pizza craving in right now. But yeah, it's been an amazing 4 nights so far. One more night in Siem Reap, and tomorrow we're heading to the beach areas of Cambodia called Karong for the next 4 nights. 5 full days. We're gonna be staying at one of the most beautiful resorts out in Karong. It's a 4-star resort called the Longset Resort, and I'll be vlogging about that tomorrow, heading out to Karong in general. But we have a flight around 12 noon, and we should be landing around 2 o'clock, where they're gonna pick us up in a shuttle and a boat, and we should be at our resort tomorrow. But it's been an incredible 4 nights, 5 days so far out in Siem Reap. From Angkor Wat to Tonle Sap, we really got to relax and chill out. The malaria pills has been hitting us pretty hard, so I stopped taking them yesterday. Dustin also stopped taking them a couple days ago. It's been giving us like a groggy type feeling. My stomach has been kind of painful, but supposedly malaria isn't that big out here, so we stopped taking them, and I've been feeling a lot better since I stopped taking my malaria pills yesterday. Besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog on Tonle Sap, and I hope you guys enjoyed the last vlog on Angkor Wat. There's gonna be a couple more vlogs out in Cambodia, specifically in the island area of Karong, which I heard is spectacular and absolutely beautiful. So that'll be starting in the next couple days. I'll be posting that on YouTube. But thank you guys so much for watching. Welcome to the channel if you guys are brand new. Hit that like button if you guys haven't yet. Comment down below if you guys have any questions or any feedback on my vlogs so far. Hit that notification bell so you guys know the new vlogs coming out on Karong and Thailand in the next couple weeks. And thank you guys so much for watching this channel. We're gonna get our pizza on right now and check out the next vlogs in Karong on the beaches. Thank you so much, guys.